Hi, welcome back to Cindy Mandarin. I'm Cindy, a native Chinese teacher living in Beijing. Today, our topic is 意思. I'm sure that you already knew the meaning of 不好意思, but there are some other common ways for us to use this word. So please finish watching this video. The first one is 不好意思. You know this one, right? And the meaning is I'm sorry, excuse me, I feel embarrassed. 不好意思，我来晚了，你等很久了吧？ And the second one is the meaning of something or some behavior. 请问这个牌子是什么意思？意思是不能在这儿抽烟。小王，你看着办吧。你觉得老板这话什么意思？所以我去还是不去呢？老板的意思是你自己决定。有意思 You can use 有意思 to describe a person or something, and the meaning is interesting or funny. But sometimes, if you want to emphasize that you don't know how to describe a person, maybe because of special logic or something else, then you can also use this word. 有意思。你这个问题很有意思啊，从来没有人问过我。他这个人很有意思啊，情人节给女朋友讲前女友的故事。这工作太没有意思了，我要辞职。我觉得他对你有意思。Do you know the meaning of this sentence? Somebody 对 somebody 有意思。The meaning is the person is interested in you and may want you to be a girlfriend or boyfriend. 你觉得他对我有没有意思？我觉得他对你有意思，要不然为什么总请你吃饭，给你发微信，送你礼物？ A person tells you that you need to 意思意思，then he's suggesting you do something to show or to express your gratitude, your welcome, your enthusiasm, or your interest to someone. 他这次帮了咱们，你觉得我们是不是应该意思意思？请他吃顿饭意思一下就行了吧？还用送很贵的礼物吗？小意思 It means not a big thing. It's not hard. It's easy for someone to do it. 太感谢你了，帮了我们这么大的忙。别客气，都是小意思。有事儿你说话。50万还是小意思，你真是土豪。If you use 不够意思 to describe a person, it means you think the person's behavior is not good and also not suitable for your relationship. 他这人真不够意思，还说是我朋友呢。我有事儿了，他连个电话都不打。也不能说不够意思吧，他以前老帮你，可能是最近太忙了。